Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I'm gonna explain you guys why I started this channel and also what you can expect actually from this channel. I'm new in making videos. I have no clue about making videos, but guess what? I spend a lot of time on YouTube and started to think about why not create my own content. I know that there are many people out there that loves cars and enjoy watch some POVs, some videos, some events, and yeah, just like me. And so I decided, why not get out, buy a camera and enjoy this beautiful country where I'm living, Switzerland, and show you around what's like to daily a Supra and have some fun with it in the mountain passes, and also show you guys the events that Switzerland has. So yeah, let's go. What do you guys think about me modding more this car? I know it's a daily. I'm a bit afraid about do some mods that will change the characteristic of the car and not be allowed to use as a daily. But yeah, let me know what do you think about. So guys, going back home. Was a really fun drive. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There are gonna be many more to come. If you guys have some ideas, suggestions, or even other content, you just tell me what you guys want to see. So, see you next time. Hope you guys enjoy and cheers. Bye.